Good evening, this is the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar regained some of the losses it recorded in the last 5 trading sessions. That slight strengthening saw the greenback closing down at $137.22 Jamaican. The Canadian dollar is going for $103.22. Sterling is being sold for $173.69, while the euro closed at $157.78 on average. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has defended his administration's stewardship over the Jamaican dollar. He claimed that the rate of depreciation is lower than was under the previous government.
I wish to point out that the movement of the exchange rate from February 2016 to present has been from 121.70 to $1 to 136.44. It may be a little higher today. That's a 12% depreciation. Compare that to the movement under the previous administration from 2012 to February 2016. The Jamaican dollar was at 86.61 on January 1, 2012, and by February 25, 2016, the Jamaican dollar was at 121.79. That's a depreciation of 41%.
The state-owned utility company, the National Water Commission, NWC, is counting the savings it will realize from shifting its debt from US dollars to Jamaican dollars. President of the Commission, Mark Barnett, used the current sliding dollar to explain how the move has helped. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
The National Water Commission, NWC, pushing to reduce the impact of the devaluing dollar. It's a strategy which NWC President Mark Barnett says will help the company better manage its finances.
You'd have known that we just floated a bond, was well subscribed, and one of the success on that is that we have been able to reduce our foreign exchange debt and convert it into local debt, which is more manageable.
He says the NWC has lost billions due to a sliding dollar over the years. It's money which he notes could have been used to improve water supply.
Our rates are collected in local currency rather than in US, and what we have in essence been doing is to reduce the burden on our balance sheet. As we had experienced about 4 years ago, was about $7.6 billion worth of foreign exchange losses, and that we want to reduce because that funds contribute not even an ounce of water to the whole population when you lose those funds.
The current devaluation of the dollar means if the NWC does not change, it would have to use more of its earnings to repay debt. Earlier this year, NWC engaged NCB Capital Markets Limited in a $15 billion refinance agreement, which is expected to ease its foreign exchange woes. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
The price of oil rose in trading today. Oil for delivery in September rose 45 cents to settle at $65.91 a barrel. Today's increase was, however, not enough to prevent the price of the fuel from falling for a third straight week. The JC index lost 2,106 points today, while the junior market index lost 6 points. Among the winners were 1834 Investments, Blue Power Group, Cargo Handlers, Dolphin Cove, Everything Fresh, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, Indies Pharma and Jamaica Producers. On the losing side were Access Financial Services, Berger Paints, CAC 2000, Derrimon Trading, Elite Diagnostic, General Accident Insurance, Honeybun, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Distributors and the NCB Financial Group. That's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.